Greetings to 5007 sections. I just want to walk you through a little bit about handout design, and it's very well connected to the readings for the week about instructional design. I want you to think about where you're headed. I want you to think about how you're going to get there, and then also how you're going to know that you've accomplished what you set out. So when we look at making a handout, and you should look at examples online too, is find out what you want to do for your handout. If you're working with Google Docs, for example, you should walk through the steps that students are going to have to do. When you make a quality handout like this, it's going to save you a bunch of time and a lot of hassle too. So you'd want to show students the site that they're going to log in at, and then you would show them how to log in, and you would show students how to maybe create a document. So I'm going to walk you through the first couple steps here on how to do that. Now, part of making a quality handout is actually making the screen look like the ones that they're going to see. So if I bring students to the initial screen that they're going to do on a PC, you can get away with touching print screen, which is on the upper right hand part of the keyboard, and you can go edit that in something like Paint. You can also do that in a lot of other programs too. But if I just paste my screen, then I'm actually able to just crop what I want to show students. That I just want to show them that part of the screen, and then you would actually just save that image to your desktop maybe, and then call that maybe screen capture 1, and then hit save, and then that will be on the desktop. That way when you go to your handout, that you can actually insert that image as a part of your screen. So you'd go to insert picture, grab your screen from your desktop, and find screen capture, which is this one, and then you can play around with it. One thing that helps when you do one, when you insert an image like this, is to change the text wrapping to either in front of text or behind text. And what that allows you to do, it allows you to move it around easily. You can resize it by holding shift to get to be the right size and stuff. So holding shift and grabbing it will keep it the same size, for example. So that's how you start a little bit, that adding an image, walking through the steps. So you would maybe tell students open Firefox, or be specific on a browser when you share with students. Have it maybe tested in Firefox, for example, to google.com. Next, click on sign in, and you would share students that you would need to use. Don't forget to use your entire login, and then show students. You're going to create a doc, you can share docs, etc. Walk them through that. Yeah, that's the basics of making a handout. Adding some text to something like a Word document, adding some images through screen capture. System requirement is the same button on the keyboard for mine, and print screen in the upper right above the number keypad. And what that does is it just copies your screen and then it allows you to paste it to something like Word or in Photoshop. So I wish you very good luck to you, and looking forward to your session 7.